Meaning of ineligibility.
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 Ineligibility. Ineligibility refers to a condition of being disqualified or not meeting the necessary requirements for something. It is often used in the context of eligibility for a position, an award, or a benefit. Being ineligible means one is not eligible or suitable for the subject in question. For instance, a candidate may be declared ineligible for a job if they do not meet the required qualifications. Similarly, an athlete may be found ineligible for a competition if they fail to meet the relevant criteria. In short, ineligibility means not being qualified or meeting the necessary conditions for something.